How do suspect classifications protect your rights? Imagine a world where laws could treat some groups unfairly just because of who they are. That's where suspect classifications come into play, making sure that doesn't happen. These are categories of people that courts see as historically targeted for discrimination and lacking political power. When the government makes laws that treat these groups differently, courts step in with a special level of scrutiny. This is called strict scrutiny, the toughest test for any law. Under strict scrutiny, the government must prove that the law serves a very important public interest. Plus, it has to be narrowly designed to reach that goal without unfairly discriminating. This means laws can't just single out a group without a good reason. For example, if a law discriminates based on race, it is presumed to be unfair unless the government can justify it very clearly. This process helps prevent laws that unfairly target groups like racial minorities, people from different national origins, or those who are not citizens. The 14th Amendment's Equal Protection Clause is the main rule behind these protections. It says that no state can deny any person equal protection under the law. Suspect classifications make sure that the courts look very carefully at laws that might discriminate against groups that have faced unfair treatment in the past. This is a way to keep the promise of fairness alive in our legal system. Some states also recognize other groups as suspect or quasi-suspect classes. For example, protections for people based on sexual orientation are becoming more common. This shows how the idea of suspect classifications can grow to include new groups as society changes. Knowing about suspect classifications helps you see when laws might be unfairly targeting you or others. It also gives you the tools to stand up for your rights if you believe a law is discriminatory. This knowledge is part of understanding your rights under the Constitution and helps ensure everyone gets fair treatment under the law.